house po ng 2 bedrooms condo.
Sige po, pasok tayo.
So ito sir, yung model unit naman for 2 bedrooms. So kung makikita nyo dito, ganito po yung magiging tsura kung gusto nyo pong biyahin. Yung yan dyan, yung lagay ng TV, and then yung sofa, and then also the dining area. And this is the lavatory po natin. Yan, kung doon luluto. And then this is the comfort room. Shower also, and then the faucet, and then...
Complete na po ba?
Yes sir. Total of 36 square meters floor area. And this is the regular bedroom. And then this is the master bedroom, sir. We give also a free aircon already installed in this room po. So this is the master bedroom. So yan, kung makikita niyo, mas malaki naman talaga siya sa kabila. And then, ayan, naka-ready naman na po yung lagay ng aircon.
So I think dito, makakapaglagay pa tayo ng cabinets for the clothing, at mga ganyan, no? So sa mga, siyempre po, may mga ibang tao po, like for example, gusto ko siyang pasok sa pag-ibig or banking. Is that possible din po ba dito?
Good question po, sir. Actually, pwede po natin siyang i-divert to pag-ibig or bank financing po. Actually, upon reservation, itatanong naman po tayo kung gusto niyo po ba siyang ipasok to pag-ibig or the bank financing po. And then, si office na po magpa-process nun. Ipapasa lang natin yung mga requirements na kailangan po ni pag-ibig or ni bank financing po. Actually, ang maganda po ngayon, ma-cash out lang natin yung required. So, 24,000, pwede mo siyang malipatan eh. Ang differences from the other floors po, just only like 200 to 600 pesos lang difference nila for the monthly amortization. And then the total contract price of this unit is nasa 2M. And then the reservation is 15,000. Naka-promo po kasi yung mami. As of today, 10,000 reservation only. You can already avail our promo po. Kailangan po natin dito is 2 valid IDs. And then also the proof of income. And then, 1-by-1 ID picture and birth certificate if single. And then, kung married naman po tayo, marriage contract po. And then, also to follow po ang post-dated checks po.
I see. So, Sir MJ, usually, sino yung mga kumukuha ng mga condominiums natin?
Actually, mostly or most of them are from abroad. And then they're just acquiring for investment. Maramihan talaga sa kanila. Ayan, pinaparent nila yung iba. And then pag uwi nila, doon nila i-occupy, doon nila papagandahin pa yung condo nila. May mga kumukuha din ng mga local employed. Kaya din nila nagre-rent. Gusto nila, may own talaga sila. May nakikita sila sa pinagpapaguran nila. Yun po yung kagandahan sa in-offer namin na rent to own, lipat agad. So, din po. Dito lang po yan sa Urban Deca Homes, Marilao.
So, tingnan po natin yung beer type naman nito.
Yes, sure. Pwede ko pong pakita sa inyo actual po mismo.
Let's go.
Those who would like to invest at sa gusto magkaroon ng sariling bahay, tirahan, please just contact our fan page, Deca Homes Marilao.
So ayun guys, another opportunity for those who are looking for homes. Sabi nga ni Sir MJ, why not try this opportunity and this investment as well? Make sure to contact them and kami po ang mag-assist sa inyo. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery dito sa Bulacan. Peace out. Bye guys!